in this program, we're going to ask the user to give us a date in this form, month/day/year, and we're going to print out the month, the day, and the year. So we have to get the 10 and the 13, and in this case the 2003 from this string. Since we know exactly the format, we can pull apart this string fairly easily. We need to get the first two characters, and that's at index 0 and 1. We need the second, the day, which is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the year is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the end. So let's just write that here so that we know 6 to the end is the year. The month, the day we said is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the month is 0 and 1. So that is 0 and 1, this is 3 and 4, and this is 6 to the end. So we accomplished that with substrings, as you can see over here. The month, so S is the name of the entire string. The month is s.substring 0, 2. That means 0 from 0 up to, but not including 2. That's 0 and 1. The day is s.substring 3, 5. 3 up to, but not including 5. And then the year is from 6 to the end. When we only have one number in here, it says from there to the end. And then if we run it, we should get the month, the day, and the year. Let's run it and verify it works. 11/23/2021, and that gives us the month is 11, the day is 23, and the year is 2021. All done. This is another example of getting a date, but this is more complex, because now we're asking the user to give us the date in this format: month space day, space, year. And so we're not going to be able to know exactly where our month, for example, begins and ends, or our day begins and ends. We're also trying to pick something up from the keyboard that has spaces in it, which means that we have to say next line. This will get up the entire thing, including spaces. So I have a whiteboard here, and I put the relevant code on our whiteboard. So I'm going to assume that we picked up our date, and we called it S, which we did over here. We said S is keyboard.nextLine. So the first thing that I need to look for is this space after the month, so that I can grab hold of the month. I do that by using index of. So this whole thing is called S, and I'm looking for the index of, and it'll give me the index of the very first space. So it will give me this index here, which if you count it out is 8. Then I look for my month, s.substring 0, sp. In this case it's 0, 8. And that means start at 0 going up to, but not including 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It gives me exactly that string there, that word November in this case. I put the variables over here. So on this first line we had SP was 8, and then month was substring from 0 through 8, well, through 7, not including 8, which gave us November. And now, and my original S was November 21st, 1999, but now I'm going to reset it. I'm going to say my new S is now what it was before, but take the substring, starting at SP plus 1. When you only have one number in here, you don't have an end point, it goes to the end of your string. So SP plus 1, SP was 8. This is from 9 until the end. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is this 2 here. So this is 9. So my string, which was November the 1st, 1999, is now 21, space 1999. And that is the result of this line here. Now I'm ready to look for the comma. I look for s.index of comma, and that is the new value of SP. 0, 1, 2. I'm not starting at 9 again. This is a new string. I start at 0 again. 0, 1, 2. That comma is a 2. So instead of this, I have 2. So my day is from this string, the substring, from 0 up to, but not including 2. So 0 and 1, that would be the 21. And that is the value now of day. And then from SP plus 2 to the end, I only have one number in here. SP is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 1999. That is now the year. Why SP plus 2? SP was where the comma is. And then I have to omit the comma, the space, and then start with the year. And when I run this, let's give it a short year. May 23. And May 23, 1995. Short year, long year, it works for anything. December 25. Even a short year, 834. Okay, hope that helped.